How to block a channel on YouTube. I'm going to show you how you can curate your feed and stop seeing content from creators you don't enjoy by using these simple YouTube settings. So, to get started, open the YouTube app on your mobile device or head to youtube.com. When you see a video on your home screen or in your feed that you want to avoid, look for the three vertical dots located next to the video title. Tap those dots and select Don't Recommend Channel. This action sends a strong signal to YouTube that you no longer want content from that creator appearing on your home screen, subscription, or explore pages. If you're already viewing a specific channel's profile, you can also tap the three dot at the top of their page. From there, you have the option to hide user from my channel. This is especially useful if you want to prevent a specific user from leaving comments on your own videos, as it hides both their existing and future comments from your account. Keep in mind that while these steps stops recommendations, the creator may still appear if you manually search for them in the search bar.